That's it. I had enough. I was completely frustrated, completely irritated. Hey guys, Brett here, and all I wanted to do was build a simple landing page. And you know what? This should have been easy. I had access to all kinds of drag and drop fancy page builders, but they were all so complicated. They had so many buttons and features and options. It was frustrating. It shouldn't take a week to learn how to use a software, and once you do, it shouldn't take hours and hours to build a simple page. A good system should be three things: fast, easy, and effective, not frustrating and confusing. Well, as always, when I see a problem, I create the solution. And with that in mind, I set out to build a platform that will allow anybody, even the most technically challenged, build high quality, effective landing pages in under 60 seconds. Now, I know this sounds like a big claim, but I'm going to show you it right now. As a matter of fact, I'm going to show myself using it in my own business. Let's take a look together right now.